Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to turn long videos into shorts using OpusClip AI. We're currently on our dashboard in OpusClip and you can see you could drop a Zoom link or any other link. We will be dropping a YouTube link, and as we dropped it by pasting it right there, it's currently processing the link. And because we're using OpusClip, you can get shorts by simply clicking on this button, Get Clips, in one click. So after putting the link of the video, you can simply click on Get Clips in one click. Let's go ahead and do that. Before you do that, you need to take note of the credits usage required and the balance of credits you have. Let's go ahead and click on Get Clips in one click and wait for a few moments for this to happen. Now, when we scroll down, you can see that we'll need to wait for a few moments. And then when this is done, we're going to see our shorts. And now that it's done, we're going to click on it. And as you can see, we've been able to get 6 clips from the long video. You can of course click on it to play. And that's how you can turn your long videos into shorts using OpusClip AI.